Hello guys, it's Moen. Today we're gonna continue coding on HTML. We're gonna learn more about HTML. So, let's go and take a look at some funny things in HTML. Yeah. We're gonna start with images. Whenever you wanna place an image in your web page, you should use this one. Let me just come back and start again. You just type img or image and go for a tab. You just need to tap on the tab button. Then it just appears and it shows you two things. First one is src and the second one is alt. In src, which means source, you should tell the HTML where is your file. And then in the second one, in order if your image didn't get up, if didn't get loaded, you should write something for the visitor to know what was that image about. For example, if you open up the Google page, the Google homepage, you see the logo. If you can't see the logo, there you can see something that's written Google there to show you that there was a logo from Google, but you can't see that by now. It can be network issues or anything. It's not important. It's optional. So let's go for src. I'm gonna test this one with my image for the YouTube channel. You saw the logo, I think, and I'm gonna tell the HTML where is my file. So I go and type logo.png, which is here. You can copy anything to your to your project. to the folder, so you can access that file here. And whenever you put the address here, it works. Let's go and take a look at that. See, the picture just appears. So cool. And we're gonna type what is that. It's our logo, for example. If the guy who's looking at your page can't see the picture, it just appears and it says there was a logo, and you can't see that for some reasons. So let's go for something else, something cool like image. It's called video. It's just like that one. I just copied the template that I used for this folder, for YouTube channel, to show you how it works. Let's just type the address like that. Just go and type template.mp4 and then it's done. Wow, what happened? Let's just take a look. I think it needed something to control that and a name for it. Yeah. For example, I say it's our template, or let's just be like this, our first video, and then we should make a control for it, something that helps us to see the movie. Just making a space between double quotation. We call this little guy to double quotation here. Let's just make a space between double quotation and this guy here, and then start typing controls. Yeah, just like this, nothing more. And then save the file, go and reload the page. See, it is our file. We can play it. You know, it works finely. You can go for full screen or anything like that. You know, it appears. And it is how it works. We use movies and images in our page. And in order to don't see this video, because it's big really, it is a I don't know how to say that. It just took all of our screen from us. We don't want to see that by now. We just learned how to deal with it. We just go and comment it. I'm just replaying that. You know, you just go for control and then that question mark on your shift, then it will be a comment. Or you just type these two before and after that. See? It's not here anymore. So we learned how to put image and video on our page. So fascinating. And let's just go and learn something else. I'm just telling you how it works. We are not looking to make real web page by HTML. I will tell you why we don't and what are we going to do. We go for real projects. We go for real world projects, but not like this. We just want to learn how it works and how it looks like. And we learned something. Let's continue. So we have something else in HTML. I don't know if you ever tried to make some lists or something like that. But if you did, you should know that sometimes lists starts with numbers, you know, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And sometimes it just starts with dots, you know, it's a big dot and then the title and another big dots on the next line. I mean, the next line, and it goes there. It goes like this. In order to make this do, we should make lists. We have two kind of lists here, as I told you, and gave you those examples. Let's just make that to see how it works. Just come here and type UL to make a list. UL and the magical tab, yeah, it shows and it appears. Then, in order to make some parts for our list, we just need to go for li, which means list, and then type anything we want here. First part, then another li, second part, and then third part. Yeah, we got the 3 here. Let's go to see how it works. Don't forget to put all of the li tags. We call these things to tag in HTML. Don't forget to put this all li tags inside that UL. Let's just reload this. See? It just starts like a list with a big dot. I don't know what you call it. I'm not a native speaker, so I don't know what you call it. And it looks fun. Let's just go and make another kind of list. Sometimes just need numbers in your page. So the other one is all. Let's just go like the last one. Yeah. We can copy all of it and place it here. See? It comes with numbers. Now let me tell you what are the things. You know img means image or src means source. But what are these things? This one is unordered list and this one is list and this one is ordered list. You know, this one all comes with numbers, unlike this one. It has no numbers. Just count with thick dots. And you can continue that easily. You can change anything you want. You just put li and type anything you want, like this, and it just appears, and it's just counting until you write code. It has no finish and no end. Guys, it was so satisfying for me. This session, we learned a lot about HTML. And in God willing, we learn more things next sessions. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. See you guys.